The incredible benefits of oatmeal. Top 14 reasons to eat oatmeal every day. Oatmeal, a beloved breakfast staple, is made from oats and typically mixed with a liquid such as water, cow's milk, or plant-based milk. Packed with nutrients and fiber, oats are among the healthiest whole grains one can eat. They are rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and can be enjoyed in numerous delicious ways. In today's video, we'll dive into the science-backed health benefits of oatmeal and share its nutritional profile. Make sure to watch until the end and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Weight loss. Research shows that starting your day with a fiber-rich meal like oats can aid in maintaining a healthy weight. Both the Department of Health and Human Services and the World Health Organization highlight that higher fiber intake is crucial for weight management. Oats have the highest satiety value among breakfast foods, keeping you fuller longer. High in fiber. Oats are high in both soluble and insoluble fiber, offering multiple digestive benefits. Insoluble fiber helps move waste through your digestive tract, while soluble fiber, especially beta-glucan, slows digestion, making you feel full longer. One serving of oatmeal provides about 5 grams of fiber, a substantial contribution toward the recommended daily intake of 25 to 38 grams. Lowers cholesterol. Fiber is vital not just for digestion but also for heart health. Beta-glucans in oats help reduce bad cholesterol levels. Consuming 5 to 10 grams of soluble fiber daily can decrease total and LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease by significant percentages. Heart health. Oats soluble fiber signals the liver to remove LDL cholesterol from the bloodstream, lowering heart disease risk. Additionally, compounds in oats, like avenanthramides, may offer further cardiovascular protection. Diabetes management. Oatmeal, a complex carb, helps slow sugar digestion, thanks to beta-glucans, which prevent rapid sugar absorption. This leads to stable blood sugar levels, beneficial for reducing diabetes risk. Studies show that regular oatmeal consumption can significantly reduce insulin needs for those with type 2 diabetes. Oatmeal offers around 5 grams of protein per serving. Enhance this with savory additions like cheese, black bean salsa, and a poached egg for a protein-packed breakfast, or mix in nuts and whey protein powder to boost intake further. Immune boosting. Beta-glucan in oats enhances immune response by helping neutrophils quickly locate and destroy germs. Studies suggest beta-glucan improves the body's defense against various pathogens, making it more effective than some traditional remedies. Cancer prevention. Oatmeal contains enterolactone, a lignin with antioxidant properties that helps prevent cancer. High fiber intake from oatmeal is linked to a lower risk of colon cancer, with some studies indicating a 10% risk reduction per 10 grams of fiber consumed daily. Energy booster. Oatmeal's slow digesting carbs and protein provide sustained energy. Its low glycemic index helps maintain steady energy levels, making it an excellent pre-workout meal. Overnight oats are a convenient option for busy mornings. Relieves constipation. Rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, oatmeal can alleviate constipation by increasing stool weight and promoting regularity. While it benefits most people, some may experience gas due to its high fiber content. Reduces asthma risk. Early introduction of oats in children's diets may lower their risk of developing asthma. Studies indicate that children who consume oats early are less likely to develop asthma by age 5. Improves insulin response. Oatmeal's beta-glucan improves insulin response and helps regulate blood sugar. It's especially beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes, as it aids in better blood sugar control without the need for added sugars. Enhances sleep quality. The nutrients in oats, including amino acids and vitamin B6, help produce melatonin, promoting better sleep. Combining oats with milk and bananas can further aid relaxation and stress reduction. Lightens skin. Oats are widely used in skincare products for their exfoliating and soothing properties. A morning facial mixture of oat powder and milk can help lighten skin and maintain a healthy complexion. If you found this content helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to support us and stay healthy.